Assalamualaikum class. So hari ni this is a tutorial for web scraping. I'm so sorry, it's a little bit technical. Web scraping saya akan ajar demo, dan you can do it by your own lah, on how to do web scraping. So structure dia first, before we go to web scraping, we need to understand the HTML pages, and we are going to understand how to use Chrome development tools, and then baru kita buat web scraping using Beautiful Soup. Okay, so after this tutorial, what you will be able to do after the tutorial, inspect an HTML page, scrap pages with requests and Beautiful Soup. So ada dua benda lah. So request library is for to retrieve the HTML pages. Beautiful Soup is to parse ataupun to read the HTML tagging. Okay, the last one ni tak ada. Okay, so ada dua jelas sebenarnya saya dah review tadi. So ada dua benda, satu inspect, and then we do the scraping process. Okay, so the first part in the video saya nak cerita dulu pasal HTML page structure. So this is a just revision for you. And as we know, HTML ada banyak part, ada part HTML tagging dia, ada CSS, ada JavaScript. Okay, and it has a series of elements that tell to the browser how to display the content, and the elements will be represented by text. Okay, and here are some text that we are already familiar with it, and ada table and so on. Okay, so then HTML text normally come in pairs. So dia akan datang dan buka dan tutup. And the first tag in pair is the opening, second is closing. So as we know, dia akan datang like this, and there is some of the tagging can have a property. Contohnya ada class lah, title lah, reference and so on. And this is the content, and it's an enough lah. Okay, and HTML has a tree structure. Okay, and biasanya dia memang dalam bentuk tree structure lah. Dia ada HTML, dia ada head, and dia ada body. Body may contain a lot of it lah. Okay, so benda tu can be repetitive based on the content. So kenapa kita nak faham dia ni? Sebab kita nak scrap web pages dalam bentuk HTML format. So before we scrap the web pages, we have to understand the content ataupun the structure of HTML document. Okay, so ini contoh, dia buat contoh contoh HTML format. Okay, ni display. So kalau kita tengok kat sini, kita ada head, title, and kita ada head body, kita ada body buka and body tutup dia. Ini last dia, ending dia. And if we look here, dia ada heading, ada paragraph, ada berapa paragraph sini? 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph, 4 paragraph, adalah 4 paragraph. So if we loop, kita nak panggil paragraph, kita boleh loop panggil P. So dia akan panggil semua. We can ask the scraper ataupun the Beautiful Soup to find P. So bila kita find P, find all P, dia akan jumpa 5P. So konsep dalam yang digunakan dalam scraping Beautiful Soup library is by reading the tagging. Okay, so kalau tagging and dalam HTML structure, each of the tagging might be repetitive. Benda tu boleh berlaku banyak kali. Okay, so contoh awak letak dalam table ke, awak letak dalam division section and so on, betul akan repeat banyak kali. Okay, so we have to know either it's repetitive or not. So that's the most important thing. That the most important knowledge, the first knowledge that you should know before we begin the web scraping. Okay, and then okay, contohlah. So kalau kita kat sini, apa kalau kita nak dapatkan maklumat mengenai Julia, apa Python art ni, kita nak retrieve Python art Julia ni dekat mana? So we know that dia ada dekat paragraph, dan di bawah tagging li, ul dan li. Okay, so kita tahu benda tu lah. Okay. So itu first part. The second part is, okay, so sekarang web page yang ada, kita buka akun browser. So saya pilih kat sini pakai Chrome lah, dan kita guna Chrome Development Tool lah. Okay, so now I'm using Chrome. So kata Chrome Development Tool is a set of web developer tools built directly in Google Chrome browser. So you can view and edit web pages. Okay, so hari ni kita akan guna Chrome Development Tools untuk inspect kita punya HTML page. Why we have to inspect? Because we want to know where is the location yang of the information that we want to retrieve. Kita nak tahu kat mana lokasi informasi yang kita nak retrieve tu. Okay, so macam mana kita nak guna, so this some exercise you can do it by your own lah. So macam mana kita nak guna development tool ni? You boleh ni ada kat sini, Ctrl Shift C, dan you akan jumpa Chrome Development Tool. So for example here, kita buka IMDb ni, this is web page IMDb. So kalau kita press Ctrl Shift C on our page, saya memang asingkan development tool ni daripada page saya. So dia akan automatically buka kita punya Google Development Tool ni. Okay, so let's say saya letak sebelah-sebelah. Okay, so this is Chrome Development Tool where you can inspect your web pages. So kalau tengok kat sini, okay, let's say kalau IMDb adalah website yang review pasal movie. So dia ada banyak content kat sini. Antaranya ialah banyak information given here. Antaranya ialah kat sini contoh top box office, for example. So top box office, kalau awak nak cari top box office, awak nak ambil yang mana? So kalau nak tengok kat mana yang dia akan repeat dekat. So kat sini apa maklumat yang awak akan repetitive. So kalau tengok maklumat yang repetitive adalah, if you notice here, this one, sekejap. Okay, so awak nampak yang I just have one cursor. Saya can inspect. So kat mana you nak tengok? Contoh kat sini. Okay, so kalau awak notice div IV class ni, box office title, box office title, box office title, box office title. So we know that the information about box office title are repetitively inside the IV class SC, this one. So kalau awak nak dapatkan benda ni, so you have to, so this you have to get this, inilah sebab you dapat. Dalam tu akan ada where is the title, ada title dalam ni. Ini besarkan kita ya. So kita tahu dalam ni ada box office yang ni. Okay, so box office title, and then kita cari title dia kat mana. Watch list. Ini. Okay, this is the title, The Super Mario Bros Movie. So kita tahu the first step ialah you kena identify container yang repetitively simpan information about the box office. Okay, mana tadi? IMDb. Jadi kat mana yang ada repetitively simpan maklumat, and kita boleh identify. Okay, then kita akan get this information, this tag lah. Okay, so itu second part. Okay, the first part is yang tadi HTML tagging. Second part is how to identify where is the location of your information yang you nak ambil. So ni kat sini kena tahulah. Okay, contoh nak ambil pasal box office, so you have to know where is the location. So kalau kat sini kita tahu location kita adalah this one. So dekat sini. Okay, this is the location. Okay, so nampaklah ada nombor 1 kat sini, 1, and ada title kat bawah yang saya tunjuk tadi. Okay, so the next part ialah untuk hari ni saya dah bercerita hari tu. Kita tak akan guna, I'm not going to ask you to install Python. We are going to use Google Colab. Okay, So how to use Google Colab? So saya akan buka satu. What you can do is first you have to log into your Google, then you can search, log into your Google account, then search Google Colab. Okay, then open your Google Colab. Okay, so akan dapat yang macam ni lah. So kalau you will get this page. Kalau you dapat this page, you boleh klik new notebook first. Or you can click cancel. So if you get this page, what you can do, you can go to file, you can open notebook if you want to open the existing file that you have created in your Google Drive, or you can upload your notebook, or you can click new notebook. So Google Colab will store your file in your Google Drive. So macam mana nak cari file tersebut? Awak kena cari locate your Google Drive, then Google Drive yang awak guna tadi lah, dan awak akan jumpa this. So saya bagi sedikit information on Google Colab. So when you open a new notebook, so Google Colab allow you to use Python notebook. So what is a Python notebook? Is one of IDE yang allow you to code and run Python language through web browser, through Google lah. So where you process it through Google Cloud Computing lah. Okay. Then kenapa nama dia notebook? Because you can mix. There is two cells here. First is text, second is code. So code cell, this is code cell. If you plus, you can dapat dua benda lah. So is a cell where is a place where you can create a code. Contohnya you nak print 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 sangat 25 times 5 for example. Then you can print it. Okay, you can press a button here, or you can control enter. Okay, so it will run the result, the code for you. Okay, you get the result. Slow ke lambat dia bergantung satu pada internet connection and also your PC lah. Dan Google Colab require an internet connection in order to run the coding lah. Okay, then kalau macam nak run, nak save ni, save, you boleh save kat atas ni. Okay, save it as any name. So the second cell is a text. So text is a cell where you can write code, or you can write a text notes header. Okay, contoh you nak write this is a text for Google Colab, contoh. Then you can add a picture, you can put a link. Okay, you can put emoji and so on. Okay, then after you have finished, you can close down Markdown editor. So if you want to edit, you cannot edit it here, you have to edit it yang belah right side ni. Dan dia akan jadi note lah. Then you can use cursor to move around the cells up and down. Okay, and you can use delete and many more. Okay, so that's all untuk this part. We will continue with our web scraping in the next video.